Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch 4-spotted ladybug in Harttopia game. So guys, this is one of the insects in Harttopia, and I'm going to show you where you can exactly catch this insect. Well, let me show you my insect story. And I've just catched this 4-spotted ladybug. Okay, and for the location, guys, you can go to the Anen Mountain, specifically Crater Lake, to meet this 4-spotted ladybug. And let me show you on the map. Okay, the Crater Lake is here, so we're going to go to the Crater Lake, and if you're lucky, you will meet the 4-spotted ladybug. Okay, just go to this area and you can start to explore this area to meet the 4-spotted ladybug. Oh, sorry, not this one, but right here, guys. We're going to go to the Crater Lake. It's right here. Okay, and just explore this area. Okay, this is the Crater Lake. Thank you guys, and that's where you can catch 4-spotted ladybug in Harttopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.